Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss which is better. Is it Lmnt or liquid IV? So let's begin. Matter of fact, Lmnt and liquid IV are both popular electrolyte drink options, each with its own unique features and formulations that we are going to dive deep today. So to begin with, we have a separate comparison video for you to check out on liquid IV. So you might want to check our channel, but basically liquid IV aims to not only provide electrolytes but also increase hydration efficiency because it contains a cellular transport technology, which is CTT, that enhances water absorption, allowing for more efficient hydration compared to just drinking water. Liquid IV offers various formulations such as hydration multiplier, the LIV 360 bundle, which is $537.99, and the super duper hydration experience bundle. Right now, I have the LIV 360 bundle. All right, and each formulated with specific additional ingredients to address hydration, energy, or sleep support. Now, liquid IV products often includes additional vitamins and minerals beyond electrolytes such as vitamin C, B vitamins, and others, providing potential extra nutritional benefits right here. It says more effective hydration than water alone. Now, if you want to know more about the wide array of flavors catering to diverse tastes and preferences for liquid IV, you might want to check their official website. Click on shop. And here's some of their products and prices. Build your own bundle for $24. The Quad Goals bundle, which is $34. And again, I have this, the LIV 360 bundle. All right. They also have the hydration multiplier, white peach hydration multiplier, that is sugar free. They also have the, I believe they have for kids. Yeah, this one. Tropical Punch Hydration Multiplier for kids and Banana Hydration Multiplier for kids. There's a lot of products for you to choose from, so why wait? Go here at their website. And of course, we have so many comparison videos for Lmnt. And again, if you want more about Lmnt, go at their official website. It says more salt, not less. Right, so a flavor for every occasion and one tasty formulation available at grapefruit salt, citrus salt, watermelon salt, orange salt, raspberry, mango, chocolate, and chocolate caramel. Right, so here's what inside the product: sodium, magnesium, potassium, and everything you need, nothing you don't. And they are very prideful of their claims that they have no sugar content, no gluten, and no dodgy ingredients. All right. Here are some claims and whatnot. Now let's head over to the side-by-side comparison for each products. Okay, some users might find the limited flavor range less appealing compared to other brands that offer a wider variety of tastes. Now, compared to generic or standard electrolyte products, Lmnt can be pricier due to its specialized formulation and focus on quality ingredients. Now, taste is very subjective. Some individuals might find the taste or lack of sweetness in Lmnt's products not as appealing as other electrolyte drink options. And depending on location, accessibility to Lmnt products might be limited, especially outside certain regions or countries. Now, for liquid IV, while liquid IV offers a range of flavors, the taste might not suit for everyone, and some individuals might find certain flavors too strong, too weak, or simply not to their liking. Liquid IV formulations may contain sweeteners, flavors, or other additives, and some individuals might prefer products without added sweeteners or might have sensitivities to certain additives. The cost of liquid IV might be higher compared to some other electrolyte drinks or hydration alternatives available in the market. Now, the additional formulations beyond electrolyte support might not be necessary for everyone, and some individuals might only require basic electrolyte replenishment without additional ingredients for energy or sleep support. And ultimately, when comparing Lmnt and liquidiv, you have to consider factors such as your specific electrolyte needs, hydration preferences, dietary considerations such as, sugar intake, taste preferences, and any additional features or ingredients you might desire in an electrolyte drink. But I believe both brands aim to support hydration and electrolyte balance, but they differ in their approaches and additional functionalities. And again, it might be best if you try both products to compare. Say, for example, you might want to try their build your own bundle, which is only for, $24. It's not too expensive, if you ask me. And again, you could also try the insider bundle, all right, for Lmnt. So you can have your own set of experience for both products. And that concludes our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next one.